Are you looking for a Temu referral code to sign up for a new account to claim a Temu bonus? Temu is an online marketplace that offers deals and discounts on products you buy. It has a wide range of products including fashion, home decor, handmade crafts, beauty, clothing, and more. Get a $100 Temu sign-up bonus when you open an account using the latest Temu referral code that you will find in this video description and make a purchase of $100 or more. Plus, you can also earn Temu referral bonuses by inviting new friends. Being a Temu user, you can also use Temu referral codes to earn an extra $5 Temu referral bonus to invite friends and family members. By watching this video, you will find the latest Temu referral codes and complete steps on how to use referral codes on Temu. How to enter Temu referral codes. 1. Download the Temu app from your app store. 2. Enter your name and email to sign up for a new account. 3. While signing up, click on Enter Referral Code to submit code. 4. Once you enter the code, you will get a $100 Temu referral code bonus. If the code doesn't automatically show up in the box that appears, you can find the code below in the description. What is a Temu referral code? A Temu referral code is a unique code that allows users to earn rewards when they sign up using the code. It also can be used to invite other friends and members to join the Temu app. These rewards can include cash bonuses, discounts, and more. How to use referral codes on Temu. After signing up for Temu, you can get your Temu referral code. Here are the simple and best ways to use Temu referral codes. 1. Share your code. Spread the word about Temu among your friends, family, and social circles. You can share your referral code through messages, emails, or social media platforms. 2. Friends sign up. When someone you've referred signs up on Temu using a referral code, they become your referral. They might also receive a welcome bonus for signing up through your link. 3. Reap the benefits. As your referred friends make purchases on Temu, you'll start earning rewards. These rewards could be in the form of discounts, cashback, or other exciting offers. If you're having trouble finding or applying a referral code, you can refer to the Temu website or app for more detailed instructions. You can also reach out to Temu customer support for assistance. A wonderful method to spread the word about Temu to your friends and family and get compensated for it is by using a Temu referral code. You may check how many people you've assisted in downloading the app by inputting your referral code, which will also allow you to keep tabs on your progress.